Kate here at WTI, and I would be doing you a disservice if I did not show you this beautiful backpack purse from UTO. I have received so many compliments every time I wear this backpack. It is beautiful, it is so well designed. So it's made of a synthetic leather, really high quality material. Even the hardware is really solid and sturdy. But the best part is the size. So it doesn't look bulky, but you can pack so much in it. So I use this as my everyday purse, but I could easily use it as an overnight bag. There's enough space in here to pack a change of clothes, or you're going to school and you have books to bring, a tablet, maybe a smaller laptop. You can pack a lunch in here. There's so many compartments. I love all of the zippered spots, so you can hide away some of your more personal items, but everything has its own spot. There are pockets on the sides to put a water bottle. You have 2 front pockets, several zippers on the inside, and even more compartments. It even has this secret zippered compartment in the back. You will feel so organized with this bag. The zipper is one of the smoothest I've ever used. It does not snag at all. It just glides open and closed. You can also carry it many different ways. So it has the top handle. You can wear it as a backpack. It has a shoulder strap. I love it in this green color, but they have a large variety of colors to choose from. So I definitely recommend this purse. It is a crowd pleaser. Everybody loves it, and there's a good reason. It's awesome, and that's my point of view.